What's up, everyone? This is Elijah with Financial Anatomy, and this is the place where you can learn how to take control of your financial destiny. Here we talk about apps that involve money and investing, and today we're going to be talking about the Varo app. I might be mispronouncing it. If I'm mispronouncing it, I'll be sure to get it right by the next video, but you can see the app we're talking about on the screen. Specifically, we're going to be covering exactly how to transfer money in and out of that account. So without further ado, we're going to go to the phone so I can give you a visual demonstration on how to do this. You'll want to start off by clicking on your Varo app, and this will pull up the sign-in page. From here, you just need to put your email address and your password in. If you don't have an account yet, you want to click I don't have an account and start the sign-up process. This video is assuming that you're already signed up with this bank though. Once you're on the Varo home screen, then you'll want to make sure that you have some kind of external account linked first, so you have something to transfer to or from. So you click on My Varo and click on External Accounts, and if you need to link a bank account, just click on Link a Bank Account. That will pull up a screen where you can log into that bank account using Plaid, and once you do so, then the bank account will be added to your account. Assuming you've already done that, let's go back to the home screen, and you can start the transfer in one of two ways. You can click the transfer button at the top right hand corner right here, and it'll take you where you need to go. Or you can go to Move Money and click on Transfer from there. Once you're on this screen, you need to click what bank account this is going to be coming from. You can either select your Varo account to send money to another account, or request money from another account to send to Varo. We're going to send $5 from the Varo account to my one checking account. I'm going to select $5, then you just click on Next. It will then ask you to confirm if this is what you want to do. I do, so I'm going to click on Submit. And it says your transfer has been processed. You can keep track of your transfers by clicking on See My Transfers. It should be noted that with this bank, once you initiate a transfer, there isn't any real way to cancel it without calling, and even if you do call Varo support, you have to do it within really the first few hours for it to actually be able to be canceled. So just keep in mind that you want to be sure that you want to transfer this money before you begin. But with that covered, that's how you transfer money in and out of your Varo bank account. If you follow the steps, you now know how to transfer money in and out of your Varo account. That does it for this video. If you have any other questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, if you found value in the video, and give a thumbs up. It very much helps with the YouTube algorithm. I'll catch you in the next one. This has been Elijah with Financial Anatomy. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.